In this video, I will be showing you how to navigate CtcLink, which is your student account where you can register, review your course history, make a payment, and review your funding. First, to access your CtcLink, you will need to go to the TCC webpage at www.tacomacc.edu. From there, you will select More, and then select CtcLink. If this is your first time logging on to CtcLink, you will have to select First Time User. In order to create an account, you will need to have your student ID number, also known as your CtcLink ID number. You should have received this number in an email a few days after you applied to TCC. Once you enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and CtcLink number, you should then select Submit. On the next page, you will need to set your password. You must select and answer 3 security questions in order to be able to create a password. It is important that you follow the password instructions listed below. Once you have answered all 3 of your security questions and have created a password and confirmed it below, you should then select Submit. You will then be brought back into the sign-in page. You may have to exit out of your web browser completely and then log back in order to successfully log in for the first time. After you enter your CtcLink ID number and your new password that you have made, select Sign In. Once you log in, you will be brought to the CtcLink main page. There you will see 2 links, one to Canvas, which is the online classroom, and the other link is to your student homepage. In your student homepage, you will see many different tiles that will take you to different pages. I'm going to go through a few key tiles that are important for new students to navigate. The Tasks tile is where you will find important notifications that could come from a variety of offices. A majority of the notifications will either be to-do list items for financial aid or holds, which can be both positive or negative. An example of a positive hold would be from financial aid, indicating that you are expected to receive funding for an upcoming quarter. This hold prevents your classes from being dropped for non-payment. An example of a negative hold is a hold that prevents you from doing something such as registering. It is important to check your task notifications to determine if there is anything you need to complete or address in order to continue smoothly as a student. Next is the Profile tile, where you can update your address and other contact information, as well as enter a preferred name. Under the Academic Records tile, you can review your course history, transfer in credits, placement, and final course grades. Under the Financial Aid tile, you can review and accept your financial aid awards. The Manage Classes tile is where you will be able to register and adjust your schedule. Prior to registering, you will need to know when your enrollment date is. Once you know your enrollment date, you will know when you will be able to register for classes. However, you are able to add classes to your shopping cart prior to your enrollment date. Next, I am going to show you how to register for classes. Within Class Search and Enroll, you will have to select the quarter in which you would like to register for. There are 2 ways that you can search for classes. You can search with keyword, or you can search by subject. When your search is complete, you will see all of the results. When you find a course that you are interested in learning more on or registering for, select where highlighted. Then you will be able to look at all the class sections that are available. Here you will see if they are open, which means available to register for, if they are waitlisted, meaning the class is full, however you can go on the wait list, or closed, meaning there is no wait list or the wait list is full. Once you have found the class that you would be interested in taking, to learn more about a class, you can select the hyperlink here, and it'll bring up additional information for you to review. Once you have decided on the class that you would like to register for, select where highlighted. It will then bring you to the first confirmation page. Here is the class information. If that is accurate to what you would like, you will select Next. On this page, you have the option to add yourself to the wait list if the class is full. If you do not meet a prerequisite for a course, or if the course requires faculty permission, then you can be granted a permission number from an advisor or from the faculty and enter it here. This is not required for all courses. Next, you will press Accept. If your enrollment date has come, you will have two options to either enroll directly into the class or to add it to your shopping cart. Here you review for the final time and then press Submit and Yes. When the course is added to your shopping cart, it does not mean you are enrolled or a spot is reserved. It does, however, bring it to a place where you can review and make decisions if necessary. Once you're ready to register, you will select the classes you would like to register for, and then select Enroll. Now you are registered for the class. You can then go to View My Classes, and you will see the registered class, the enrolled class here with the status enrolled. If you are on the wait list, the status will say waiting and give you the place number that you are currently in. There is another function that is very useful, especially when you're looking to go on a wait list. When you swap a class, you are able to perform two actions at once. You are able to drop yourself from a class and add a class in the same action. In order to be able to swap classes, you must already be registered for a class. Then you're able to look and find a class that you would like to switch it with. You can perform this search through Class Search, or if the class you would like to register for is already in your shopping cart, you can search there. Or if you know the 4 to 5 digit item number for the course, you can enter it here. If you are swapping a class that is on a wait list, you want to be sure to select Yes to the wait list and Accept. Here you're confirming the swap. You would like to swap this class, meaning drop this class, and add this class here. If the class that you would like to be in is on a wait list, the swap function will allow you to go on the wait list for the class that you want, but remain in the class that you're currently registered for. The swap will only happen if you are off the wait list and you get into the class that you want. Then the class that you originally registered for will be dropped. Next, I am going to show you how to drop classes. Once you are registered in a course or on a wait list for a course, you have the option to drop the course. You can select the course you'd like to drop here. and then confirm drop classes. After registering for a class, you will immediately have a posted amount due. You can see the tuition and fee totals under the financial account tile. You are also able to set up a payment plan or pay the tuition on this page. The last thing I would like to show you is where to find your assigned advisor. Under the Academic Progress tile, you will see your listed academic advisor. If you do not have an advisor listed, please contact advising and we would be happy to assign you an advisor. This concludes the tutorial on how to navigate CtcLink as a new student. Please do not hesitate to reach out to the advising office or your specific advisor if you come across any issues or questions while navigating CtcLink.